We did not create artificial minds. We made automation flexible enough to look conversational. That may be the real technological shift, hiding under the wrong name. We keep calling it artificial intelligence because the phrase is already there. It's useful, it's dramatic, it sells. It gives investors, companies, journalists, and users a single word for a large cluster of systems. Systems that appear to do things only intelligent beings used to do. But the name is misleading. Much of what we call AI today isn't intelligence in the human sense. It isn't a mind forming intentions, revisiting beliefs, or understanding the world from inside experience. Much of it is better described as elastic automation. Traditional automation was rigid. A rule fired when a condition was met. A script followed predefined branches. A workflow moved from step to step, but only inside the shape its designer had already imagined. Language models changed that shape. They gave automation a flexible interface to natural language. So they allowed software to interpret messy input, rewrite instructions, and classify intent, to call tools, summarize results, retry failed steps, and then present a response that feels coherent to a human reader. The machine didn't become a mind. The automation became elastic. An elastic automator is a system that uses a language model. It turns uncertain human input into executable structure. Then it loops through generation, evaluation, correction, and presentation until the output appears intelligent. That distinction matters because if we mistake elastic automation for intelligence, we will design around the wrong object. We'll ask whether the system knows, wants, understands, or decides. But the practical question is often simpler. What loop is running? What tools can it call? What memory does it retrieve? What criteria does it optimize? What failures does it hide before showing the final answer? The illusion of intelligence doesn't come from nothing. These systems are powerful. They can produce useful work, discover patterns, compress knowledge. They can write code, coordinate tools, and adapt across tasks in ways older automations could not. But power isn't the same as mind. We did not create artificial minds. We made automation flexible enough to negotiate language. That deserves a precise name. Not artificial intelligence, elastic automation. The systems are not minds, they are elastic automators.